Hi guys, welcome. Last video we did product analysis on the product handheld sewing machine. How we get from IndiaMart and how much it is sold in Amazon. How much profit margin we can get when selling on Amazon. If you have not seen, please check that. In this video we are going to do the same product analysis with Helium 10 tool. We are going to see how much units sold monthly and monthly revenue with the same product. We get the product from IndiaMart in bulk and we can export to US. If you need any help on exporting to US, leave a comment. First we need to know the product category. Sometimes it will show on top, sometimes it will not show. If not showing on top, go to the URL bar. In this URL bar we have a question mark. After that question mark, you can remove everything after that and click on enter. Now you are able to see the category. This is the category of the product. The category of the product is important for product research. Now we can go to Helium 10 tool. This is the dashboard of Helium 10. We can log in with our email and password. In top we have tools, click on that. We have a lot of tools to do product research. We need to click on black box, Amazon product research. In this black box we are able to see the product monthly sales and monthly revenue. This Helium 10 tool is limited time use only, but I will give one offer, watch the video till end. This is how black box will look. We are going to do product research on US website, so we can keep as Amazon.com. If we want to check for different marketplace, we can change. First we need to toggle the switch to advanced option so the filter make more easy. Now we will select the category which we get from Amazon.com. This is the category for handheld sewing machine. If you want to add any filter you can go with. It is having a lot of fields to filter. You can filter with monthly revenue, monthly sales, reviews, rating, filter with brand name, etc. With these fields we hunt the best-selling products. From the category which we select will have lot of product, so if we give a correct keyword we can filter the correct product so that I can filter easily and get filter with what I am looking for. You can also try giving the keyword. I am giving the keyword handheld sewing machine so that I can filter the correct product, then click on search. You can also add a filter with monthly revenue greater than $200 so we can see best results. Why this monthly revenue we are giving is to filter an average seller. The results it show the result like this. This will have the product price column. Monthly sales, this shows how many units sold monthly. For this listing is same what we are looking for, they make around $558.57. If we convert to INR it is 46,000 they are making monthly revenue. This all the product are same what we looking for. This listings all are making decent monthly revenue. This listing all making nearly $500. This listing is making nearly $16,000. If we convert to INR it will be 13 lakhs. This all are the same product which we check in IndiaMart, the price around 150 rupees in Amazon we can sell it for nearly $16 to $19. See, this listing is having product price $16.98, 174 units sold monthly and making nearly $3,000. If we convert that to INR, nearly 2,50,000 they are making. Now I am going to tell the hack for Helium 10. In this Helium 10 tool we can sign up with invalid email and password, also it will work. For example, you can try with xyz123@gmail.com also. Try this Helium 10 tool to do the product research before launching the product on Amazon. If you want to know more on Amazon global selling export, like, share, command and don't forget to follow or subscribe.